Nature teaches the value of life, every creation of Allah with a purpose. To educate us on the value learned from nature, may I now invite our friends from class 4th and 5th to present a skit.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Allah created everything and every creature has a purpose. Also, nature offers us lesson. Education is not confined to classroom and learning happens under every circumstance. Here, we have students of Safa School who are going to discuss about the lesson nature teaches us. Over to them. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Children, sit down. Have you all completed yesterday's homework? Did you read the surah? Hafsa, can you tell the surah? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. MashaAllah, Hafsa. Today we are going to study Surah Al-Qamar. Inna kulla shay'in halaknahu biqadar. And He has created everything with a measure. Okay, children, can now anyone tell me what? Yes, Majida. What is the meaning of this surah? How can everything created by Allah will have a purpose? Yes, Asma. Does nature also teaches us something? What do we learn from nature? Okay, children. Now we can talk about ants. We have studied surah number 27 called Naml, which means the ants. Yes, Hassan. Yes, Ustad B. My mother has told me that ants have special place in Islam. MashaAllah, Hassan. Okay, children. Can now anyone tell me what is special about ants? Yes, Amina. Ants always move as a colony. They collect food in summer and store it for winter. MashaAllah, Amina. Yes, Ibrahim. When I see ants going in a line, I learn the lesson that even when there is no leader to follow, we should stay motivated. MashaAllah, Ibrahim. Yes, Fizan.
Discipline helps to get good education.
MashaAllah, Fizan. Yes, Jasra. Ustad, I have understood from ants that we should be disciplined always. It also teaches us the importance of hard work. MashaAllah, Jasra. Ants teaches us about importance of hard work. Okay, now can anyone tell me what honeybee gives us? Yes, Sadia.
Honeybee gives us nectar. Also, I have heard my grandmother told that honeybee is considered as a miracle from Allah.
MashaAllah, Sadia. Yes, Isma. Yes, I have also learnt in my Hifz class that good Muslims should be more like a bee. MashaAllah, Isma. Yes, Sinara.
My English miss taught us today the lesson about Tom Sawyer. His Aunt Polly made him to realize the danger of being lazy.
MashaAllah, Inara. Yes, Tania.
Yes, I have read in my storybook that laziness is nothing but the habit of taking rest before we become tired.
MashaAllah, Tania. Yes, Amna.
And that there is no shortcut to success than hard work.
MashaAllah, Amna. Honeybee is called as a nahl. Honey is used as medicine and killing it is a great sin. Yes, Asfiya.
We should also learn how to busy always and not to waste our time.
MashaAllah, Asfiya. Okay, children, I'm going to meet Principal. Ustadi Humaira will come now. Jazakallah khairan kaseera. Start your recitation.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sit down, children. Can I share the narration of Abu Sa'id al-Khudri to all children? A man came to Prophet and said, my brother has pain in his stomach. Prophet said, give him honey to drink. The man came back, said, O Messenger of Allah, it has only increased his illness. Prophet of Allah said, Allah spoke the truth, and your brother belly has lied. Go and give him honey to drink. He went and gave him honey to drink and was cured. Yes, Ryan.
Oh, so honeybee teaches us a lesson not to be lazy and also gives us useful medicine.
MashaAllah, Ryan. Yes, Fazil. Ustabi, can we now discuss about animals? Do they teach us anything? Yes, Fazil. Can we now talk about camels? What do you know about camels, children? Yes, Taskin. Ustadi, our socialist told that the camels are called the sheep of the desert. MashaAllah, Taskin. Yes, Yumna. My science teacher has told that camel has higher level of IQ compared to horse. It is an interesting fact, Ustad. So it is correct to justify that camel is a miracle animal. Yes, you are correct. In Islam, it is mentioned frequently in Quran and is considered as a miracle of nature. Yes, Tahira.
What lesson do we get from camel? Can you explain to us, Ustabi?
Yes, Ada.
Camels are wise in the harsh desert environment. Similarly, with dua to Allah, we should work to overcome our hardships even at difficult times.
MashaAllah, Ada. Yes, Anas.
It also teaches us to have patience, strength, obedience and endurance.
MashaAllah, Anas. Yes, Nawaz.
when we discuss nature, science and Islam combines the concept. I understand at Safa we have interdisciplinary learning. We are thankful to all our teachers.
MashaAllah, children. Surah number 88. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت. Then do they not look at the camels, how they are created?
Excuse me, Ustabi.
Yes, Ustabi.
Can I take over the class?
Yes, Ustabi.
Dear children, no creation of Allah is there without a purpose. Every creature teaches us a lesson. It is for us students to take it from nature and practice it for our well-being. So, was today's class interesting? Jazakallah khairan kaseera. Education is a continuous process. We learn from our environment, from people around us. When we stop learning, we stop growing. This is emphasized at our school, and inshallah, we the students of Safa will always continue the learning till the end. Talbul ilmi faridatun ala kulli Muslim. Anas reported God's messenger as saying, the search for knowledge is an obligation laid on every Muslim. Now let me introduce the characters. M. Hafsa, M. Majida Fatima, A. Asma, H. Muhammad Hassan, A. Amina Minhaj, Ibrahim Abdur Razak Chuna, K. V. Fizan Amal, S. Jasra, I. Sadia Fatima, M. Isma Kalam, A. Inara Fatima, K. Tania Mehra, A. Amna Fatima, M. Nasfiya Tabasum, S. W. Syed Rayan, A. R. Muhammad Fazil, A. Taskin Sultana, N. Yumna Afzal, Z. Tahira, M. Nada Fatima, J. Muhammad Anas, A. Muhammad Nawaz, Ustabi 1 as Hana Ghazia, Ustabi 2 as Humaira Fatima, and students of class 4 and 5. Narrated by Humaira.
So parents kaha ஒரு சின்ன information. இது actually பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுடைய actual Safa School setup. So Islamic studies classes-ல that is how we encourage the children to relate with the day-to-day environment so that the nature teaches education சொல்லிட்டு இப்படிதான் அந்த குழந்தைங்களுக்கு இஸ்லாமிக் ஸ்டடீஸ்ல ஒரு சப்ஜெக்ட் கிளாஸஸ் இஸ் பீயிங் கண்டக்டட். ஸோ அதை வந்து இந்த பிரைமரி சில்ட்ரனை வச்சு வி வாண்டட் டு புட் இட் இன்டு எ ஸ்மால் ஸ்கிட். ஸோ மாஷா இட் வாஸ் ஆசம் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பை சில்ட்ரன். ஐ திங்க் பேரண்ட்ஸ் ஷுட் சே எ பிக் மாஷா அல்லா டு தெம். ஏன்னா சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு வாரத்துல குழந்தைங்க இதெல்லாமே பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணதுதான். உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு தெரியும். ஸோ சே மாஷா அல்லா டு தெம்.
Jazakallah friends for wonderfully emphasizing that nature teaches education through your skit.